Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I'm going to be unboxing my Apple Watch Series 5. Each year I do something where I unbox a new Apple product. It's just, this is my Christmas gift to myself, so I'm gonna unbox it right now. I'm super excited. I would have unboxed my 11 Pro Max, but I just was too excited to open it, so I'm gonna unbox my Apple Series Watch 5. I got the wristband color in peach. It comes in multiple colors, but I got it in like this orangey peach color, but it's more orange than peach. So here you see me opening the box. It was so hard doing it with one hand, so this is two hands. You have to cut this little tab back here because it is secured pretty well. Even shipping secured, it, it was well shipped. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna cut the box open, and here we have it. And boom, here's your Series 5. And I got it in a 40 millimeter. Yes, the 40 millimeter. I didn't want the bigger size because I do like the kind of smaller size, kind of feminine to me. You know, get whatever size you want, but I just got what I thought would look really cute on my wrist. And as I'm saying and doing this video right now, it's sitting on my wrist and it looks mighty nice. Mighty nice. So in it comes all the instructions. There's the wristband. It came with an extra little snap for if you wanted a smaller fit and a longer fit. I chose to go with the longer fit, being that I have a kind of bigger wrist, as you can see in this video. So I have a bigger wrist, and here you see me just basically bringing out the snaps for the watch. Also, if you saw, the watch is secured in this really nice duster, and I just thought that was really cool. So as you can see, yeah, it's orange, but it just looks so peachy to me. It looks really peachy to me. So here it is in this duster, and I'm just excited. I'm so excited. This is my first Apple Watch, guys. I bought an Apple Watch a few years ago, but here's the thing. It was iCloud cloud lock, so it was just sitting. I don't know what it is traditionally about buying things instead of just buying it new like I did this time. It was iCloud lock, so I just gifted myself with this Apple Watch Series 5. And I'm excited. Now, the reason why I got this Apple Watch Series 5 is for me, business wise. If you don't know, I run a boutique and I'm not always near my phone, and I need something to alert me when I have those orders come in, like, you know, those notifications on messages and stuff that you have a order, ding, 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 and I'm never near my phone. So I'm putting the snaps on now, and I love the fact that this watch also tracks your heart, your ECG, and you can save the info and send it straight to your doctors. Knowing me, health is important, and I most definitely will be using it for that factor. It also tracks our cycle. If you don't want to know what a cycle is, it's a period. It tracks our cycle, and I'm just uber excited. It does come with the accessories, the charger, and the port, so you don't have to worry about that. It comes fully charged, as always, as all Apple products do. And I love that it streams music as well, but I'm super stoked about the cycle tracker. And then, I love that you can just, like I said, you can go without needing your phone with this Apple Watch. You can really go without needing your phone. Like, you can sit your phone down somewhere and you can just use your watch. Now, I haven't got down the gifs of the watch quite yet. So as you can see, I'm basically showing you the back where the heart monitor will be. I am definitely setting up this watch in this video, so that's what you'll see me doing. But I love the fact that this watch basically is a do it for you, and it's without your phone if you're not near your phone. So I love that key factor. And I haven't gotten into my fitness routine as I should, but I think this will definitely help with that. So as you can see, I'm basically fiddling around with the watch because, like I said, this is my first Apple Watch. I don't kind of know much about it. I'm gonna be like testing it and playing with it all day so that I can kind of get used to it. But there's many perks to this watch. It does have like little miniature apps on it and everything that you can play games, and you just keep documented records of things. And I'm just excited about this watch all the way around. As you can see, it's, it's showing the activity for the fitness, and then I think there's an app for even weather. No, the dial change. I love the fact that you can change the face on this watch. So I changed the face. Of course, I put my face on the display of this watch. I love that when you turn it over, you don't have to worry about tapping the screen for it to come on. Instead, it automatically comes on. Y'all, this watch is just, to me, it's phenomenal. This is my first Apple Watch, and I'm just kind of mind blown. Other folks will be like, we're used to it already. The same way I am mind blown about my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I just love, love, love my phone. And now I'm going to love, love, love my watch. So I'm just fiddling around with this. And I kind of hope y'all understand. I'm not no whiz tech, okay? I don't know that much about all this. So I'm just sharing y'all with y'all my Christmas gift as I do every year. Okay. Okay. So it's been fun. It's been real. And I shall check y'all in the next video. I know it's been a while, a minute. But I love y'all. Bye.